Hello and welcome to a still day in Haslar Marina in Portsmouth. Here we have REVEL Lady. She was built for her current owner in 1993 and she was adapted from a Callisto 385 design with the help of the designer Bill Dixon. So she's nearer to 40 foot, so we've called her a Callisto 40. She's a steel hull, and the hull was built by Croft Marine, and then the internal fit out was done by an ex-Moody shipwright in Southampton. She's in lovely condition. Many passers-by will marvel that she's actually a steel yacht, as the hull really doesn't look it, and she has benefited from a respray every 7 years. Just walked along the port side there and had a good look down the hull. So her sail plan set up, everything is designed to be easily sailed as a couple, and that was what the owner wanted when she was built. It's a great sail plan. She's got the staysail there mounted on a boom, and that is also self-tacking, just see the track there. And she's also got a single line reefing main. Head right the way up to the foredeck. You can then see she's got the genoa on a furler up forward. That is a brand new Loughran's windlass that's recessed down there in the deck. Got that teak tow rail, which is varnished at the moment. There's a better view of the staysail boom on the Traveller. Two deck lockers there as well, one either side. So she's centre cockpit. The owner wanted a well protected cockpit, so it's nice and deep, and then you can see she's got that protection there as well. We'll start to head aft shortly. So heading down the port side, get a better view of that doghouse. Head all the way to the back of the boat. And there she's got a hydrovane on the back and a transom mounted life raft as well. Because she's centre cockpit, you've got this nice space aft. The owner actually, after seeing this video and seeing the canvas cover there, she's actually got a new one on order. Nice little transom there, so you can climb down onto the step. She's got a small sugar scoop. And then looking forward, so you get an idea of how deep the cockpit is. Main sheet's just aft there on that Traveller, so it's not in the way of the cockpit. Good seating all the way around. We've got storage in the cockpit as well. Everything is nice and simple. We've got all the control lines come back to that single electric winch on the starboard side there. We've got a great view forward from within the cockpit from the helm position. And obviously the beauty that you are nicely protected from the elements, which we all like sailing in cold waters. Raymarine instruments above the helm there. We've got wind, speed and depth. Bow thruster control and then the autopilot control. There's the engine control panel. The engine is a 66 horsepower Thornycroft. And then we will head down below. So she's got a lovely teak interior and it's all in really fantastic condition. The saloon is bench seating either side, and then over to port there we've got a pilot berth, which is a fantastic passage berth which the owner can attest to. Central table with a drop leaf either side, so you can use both sides of the saloon for seating when you're at the table. Better view of the pilot berth there. Lots of storage, bookcases and cupboards. Let the light readjust. So here we have the galley to port. We've got one top loading fridge here, double sink, and then a oven with hob above there. Give you a better view of everything. We've got dry food storage as well there, and that's the fridge. And then over on the starboard side we have the chart table. So we've got a Raymarine C90 chart plotter. We've got a Garmin GPS, Icon VHF, and the control for her Erbisbacher diesel heating, which was all new in 2017. And there's her main control panel. She was all custom built for the boat. We've also got Navtex here, and we've got an SSB. Right, heading up forward. We've got the V cabin up here. Just got an infill. And there you can see the cockpit cushions currently stored up here. And then we've got a day head here, or obviously it's a head for the forward cabin to use, which is lovely. And then as if by magic, we appear in the aft corridor. That's the chart table we're just passing there on the left. We've got a nice little workstation here. Engine room access there, which we will have a look at on the way back out. Into the aft cabin, lots and lots of storage. We've got 2 wardrobes here, and we've got a huge aft berth, which is lovely. So you've got storage up down the side of either side of the berth there. Got hatches out the transom, which is lovely. This does have an infill as well, and it's also got lee boards, so you've then got two nice good sea berths back there. Fans throughout if you are in the tropics. And it's got good headroom as well, which is nice. Eagle among you will spot that that is not actually me filming, it's my wonderful colleague Alan. Here is the ensuite heads. So, you know, in 40-foot boat we've got two nice cabins and we've got two heads, which is great. Reversing back out. Alan just sorting out logistics, and then we will have a quick look into the engineers. We've also got the generator in here as well, so she's fully set up with most blue water kit that you would need to be self-sufficient. That's the generator just up there, and then here we have the Thornycroft engine. So there we have it. That was Revel Lady, the wonderful steel adaptation from a Callisto 385.